had a problem with my windshield wiper day before yesterday where it came loose and started falling all over the place, flopping and not staying in track. And when I felt it, you could see that it was loose, unattached, or stripped out. I didn't know what was going on. What happened is I went to the ski resort to go snowboarding, and I lifted up my blades like this. The reason you lift up both your wiper blades when you're at a ski resort or somewhere parked in the snow is it prevents the blades from freezing to the glass, and it also has them in the upward position so you can clean off accumulated snow before you put them down and go drive away. So it looked like this when I got there, and then it looked like this by the time it was time to leave. I was in kind of a hurry. It was storming pretty hard, so I cleared off all the windshield and then put the blades down, turned them on. They were both functioning fine, and then I started to leave and going out of the parking lot. When I tapped my brakes for slower traffic, all the snow that was up here on top broke free and came down the windshield and covered my entire windshield. And I was completely blind and driving about 15 miles an hour. I left the blades on, hoping it would clear so I'd be able to see where I was going. It struggled, and then the top blade, it started to go, but the bottom blade made a bunch of noises, bumped up and down, and started flopping over forward toward the hood, and I was in some trouble, I suppose. So I got to the side of the road, cleared off the rest of the snow, got in the car, and this blade worked fine. This one didn't move at all. I figured I had broken something serious, but I was able to get home just with one wiper blade. The next day, when it stopped raining, I come out and look at it. I could see it's all wanky and out of place and loose and moving up, and I look over here. The blades have a little cap at the end, and I knew as soon as I pop that cap off, you can see a bolt right here, and it was loose. So I get a 15 millimeter, line it up to where I want it resting at, and just simply snug it up. It's a 30-second fix. That's all firm and snugged up. Put the cap in. So I don't know if it was genius design or just plain luck. The way the wiper works, when it had the snow on it, it's pushing and going back, pushing and going back, and that was like a reverse wrenching, which loosened the nut. I don't know if it's dumb luck or they engineered it that way, but thank goodness, because you don't want to run your wiper blades with heavy snow on it. And how I could probably prevent that from happening again is not only clean the snow off my windshield, but also off the top here, because the top gets warm, you stop, and it moves forward. That was a close call.